One proof that ChatGPT can really earn you money. I made my first $100 without investing a cent. Here's exactly how I did it. I asked ChatGPT, what low-cost digital products sell well? It suggested templates, short ebooks, checklists, so I chose a Notion tracker. Using prompts like create 10-page habit tracker, I got outlines, formatted it in Canva, exported as PDF, all in 30 minutes. Uploaded it to Gumroad, used ChatGPT for product description, shared in one Discord community. First sale came in under 24 hours. Total effort, 1 hour. Passive earnings, 100 plus. And yes, I still earn on autopilot months later.